How to make money online from content writing. There are a lot of different options when it comes to paid online writing. No matter your interests or areas of expertise, if you're ready to bring in some extra cash, opportunities are waiting for you. In this video, we'll show you some easy ways to make money writing online and everything you need to know to get paid for your writing skills. Start a blog. Blogging is a tried and true method for writers to make money online. You may be wondering if it's still possible for new bloggers to make money with all the established blogs already online, and the answer is yes. Blogging requires dedication and consistency, and it will also take some time for your blog to gain momentum before you see much income, but it is absolutely possible. The first step to starting a blog is picking your niche. This is the topic you'll write about. Next, you'll need to pick your domain, design your blog, and get it all set up. Once you've got your blog established, remember to post regularly, promote your posts on social media, and engage with your readers. No blog has ever been an overnight success, but you can make good money from blogging with a little time and consistency. Establish a niche website. If you have an interest or expertise in a particular niche, you can start a website dedicated to it. This gives you all the creative control of running your own blog without the pressure of regular posting. Although you will need to update your website regularly to keep it fresh and make sure it reaches full potential. Self-publish a book. There are self-publishing options for every type of book, from short instructional guides to romance novels to non-fiction tomes. If you've written a book and you're unsure what your next step should be, why not consider self-publishing? Publishing your own book is an incredibly rewarding experience, as you have control over every step of the process. This can be a double-edged sword, however. After starting down the path to self-publication, many authors realize that while they love writing, they don't love obsessing over font and margin options or negotiating with cover artists. Create affiliate content. Ever notice how almost every food blogger includes Amazon links to their favorite ingredients and cookware? Or maybe you found an article on Pinterest listing an outdoor enthusiast's essential camping gear. These are both examples of affiliate content, where you, the affiliate, partner with a company to drive traffic to their website and earn commissions on any resulting sales. Write scripts for video creators. If you understand script writing's technicalities, you can bring in money by partnering with a video creator. It's pretty common for video creators to have great screen presence but not so great writing skills, so there are plenty of gigs to be had in this field. Produce content for local businesses. While you're talking to small, local business owners about their social media content, don't forget the other services you can provide as well. Do SEO writing. SEO writers are some of the best paid freelance writers because they provide the most value to their clients. These specialized writers know plenty of SEO tips, including researching keywords and integrating them into websites to make them rank higher in search results. Write articles for money. Journalism is a brilliant career route for anyone with a love and talent for writing. We really recommend going for it if it's what you want to do. It's important to recognize, though, that it is a competitive industry. It has a reputation for involving a fair amount of low-paid work and unpaid internships for young writers who are just starting out. Was this video helpful for you? Let us know in the comments section and subscribe to remain in touch with such valuable content.